their statement, right? And basically they're gonna respond. So is this something like you want? Like, would you want to work there again? Would you want your job?
Yeah, I think they shouldn't have fired me.
Yeah.
You know, it would be uncomfortable to a certain degree to go back. But at the same point, I would think it would be just as you always think of this like, would you go back after you were at it on?
Yeah, I know
on,
what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying? Like
would
here,
you want to go
would
back
you
to work if like
say there
you
was a
see
whole
some-
bunch of paperwork stuff or something you disagreed?
You said the guys were nice. You liked them. Like
Yeah.
it wasn't a problem.
You know, but most people will swallow something, and I normally open up it's not your fault. I had spoken to Tony like 3 days after, and he told me, well, you know, you could have told me, or you didn't tell Tom. And I'm like, I told Solomon, and well, what difference would it make? You guys were pissed off that I didn't want to take this wall apart, all right? You know, you didn't have to fire me for that, which was stupid in a sense because it had to do with stuff that people should know.
When you went to OSHA, you were complaining about that wall specifically?
About them pretty much not giving me the proper equipment or doing it at least the right way, and that I don't know which is the right way today in New York City. I mean, I had a house in Jersey, you know, and I've worked on my house, and there's a certain way you do stuff, but you want to do stuff. It's not what I do on top of that. I wasn't hired as a maintenance man. I didn't go there bragging that I know how to do your plumbing or your wiring or anything like that.
Yeah.
I went there to make parts, and basically that's that. Do we do other stuff as machinists? Yeah, we do a whole bunch of other stuff. We fix the machines, you know. But normally to fix a machine, I need the manual. If there's no manual, I'm going to call the OEM company and ask them. Usually I'm on the phone. I've worked with CNC equipment. I've rebuilt motors, hydraulic pumps, a whole bunch of stuff. But you normally want to find out, like, or have a schematic, a drawing of what it is, or you don't know what you're doing. When you don't know what you're doing, most people just start doing something. And I found that to be a problem. You're best off calling somebody that built this thing, and they'll tell you what to do, you know. And then from there, you know, you build your knowledge of most stuff. And most stuff is kind of almost the same. But in today's things, you're dealing with more electronics and other stuff that you really don't know how to fix it. Like, you really can't really work on your car today. You could replace parts, but you're really not like fixing a distributor shaft or doing a valve lash adjustment. The motors are built so that things run right. Again, because they come from the systematic way of doing stuff that eliminates people from their opinions on what they think and replaces it with what they really know works. If it works this way, okay, we'll keep doing this, and we'll work on the stuff that is problematic. Fix that. If it's working, fine, leave it. If it's not, try to fix it. You know.
So, okay.